Yeah, man, good morning. Welcome to the Daily Money Markets. My name is Che Yusuf, the host of the Daily Money Market on YouTube. Want to talk about the brokers, the offering that the brokers they're actually, offering at particular time, and how can we compare it to, most of South African brokers, right? So there's a lot of brokers currently that are actually, operating in Africa or operating in South Africa, and all those brokers they have a different offering in terms of the product that they have. You find some brokers, they offer from 1.6 pips when it comes to the spread, and some brokers they will offer 2.5 when it comes to the spread. Now the most important when you look at those, you need to focus to contracts, a contract of that specific asset, right? So check the contract size. Most of the volatile contract size they start from 10 going upwards. If the contract size is just 1, it means the trade that you take, will have really less volatility. It will depend on you increasing the volume so that you can have a little bit of more volatility to make good profit. So that's another thing. When we are checking the spread, we need also to look into the contract size of that specific instrument and understand what does it say when it's a lower contract size or when it's higher contract size, right? Another thing that we look when we go to check the broker, another thing that we check, it's also the bonuses that they offer. And most brokers they offer 100% bonuses. That means when you put your money, they'll double that amount of money on your equity, and your equity is going to be a little bit higher, a little bit more, when it comes to trading to your bonus. But most of them they offer the bonuses that doesn't carry on when you are actually sitting on a negative. Let's say you put $100, you're trading, have a loss of $100. The extra $100 that they give you as 100%, it doesn't really help you because of it's not a drawdown bonus. It's only the equity bonus that cuts or terminate the trades when you are reaching your initial deposit on a loss. You see, so those are the challenges that most of our traders they're facing when they are actually opening trades, opening account with the different brokers that are based here in Africa. The other part is the withdrawing of the money, right? Most brokers they offer 2 to 3 days. Some brokers they offer 24 hours in terms of withdrawing. Now, for instance, if there is a challenge, if you are facing any other challenge and you want your money immediate so that you can deal with whatever other challenge, it becomes a challenge to find that type of broker that can give you that. So now, I want to compare you with a new broker called Monarchs that just come, here in Africa, and this Monarchs broker is a game-changing broker, And if you look at the product itself, from the pips, we said the other brokers start from 1.6 pips. Those are the lowest, But when you look at the Monarchs, it starts from 0.6 pips, 0.7 pips. That's the minimum, spread that you can get from the Monarchs broker when you're trading with Monarchs, right? The second thing we talk about the bonuses, in terms of how they offer the bonuses, how these other brokers offer the bonuses. Most of them is 100% equity bonus, and also maybe some of them they will give you. It will be a very lucky, or maybe it will be based on a campaign to have a drawdown, bonus. Some they give you a ridiculous leverage, goes all the way to 1,000. I'm not sure if most traders understand that the higher leverage you take, the higher also exposure that you are giving to your market when it comes to margin required to execute a specific trade, right? So Monarch, when it comes to the broker, when it comes to the bonus, there's 2 different types of important bonuses that I'm seeing. The number one is called the 10x booster account, right? If you open a 10x booster account, it means you are going to get a 9 times amount of money that you put under your equity. So you put $100, we're giving you $900 to match it. You will have $1,000 in your equity. Again, it works the same with the 100% bonuses with other guys, whereby when you reach a loss of your initial deposit, the trade will be, terminated. But if you don't lose the money for your initial deposit, you're still going to use that bonuses, to continue open the trade. The difference, this one is 10 times. So you get it 10 times. That's a lot of equity for us to capitalize, especially those who have a small amount of money. You can put small money and we get a 10 times bonus. We start executing a good trade. Look at how gold and silver is performing now. It will need you to have much more equity. Look at how crude oil and the Brent crude oil are performing right now. You will need to have, a little bit more equity in your account. So I think 10x booster account is one of the great accounts that you can be able to use to capitalize and to really start making a better chance of making a profit. The second account is a lifetime bonus account that's offered at Monarch's Broker. The lifetime bonus account. Now, a lifetime bonus account, it's when you get a 50% of your deposit, but this bonus, it is the drawdown bonus, right? As we've been crying that we can't find the drawdown bonus, Monarchs has just bring the drawdown bonus for us, so that we can be able to trade even if we are on an initial deposit, on a loss of the amount of initial deposit. The bonus will carry on with the trades until you might never know, the market might change, goes all the way to your direction, you start actually earning something out of it, right? So that's the important about when it comes to these two types of bonus. I mean, the lifetime bonus is very great. Imagine you have you have maybe, let's say, 5,000 that you put in your account, and you have extra 2,500 that you can actually trade with. Even if you lose the whole amount of money, you close the trade and you still have equity of $200, $300 that is on your equity. You can open the trades from that. That's a good thing when it comes to the lifetime bonus with Monarch's Broker. The last one we spoke about, the withdrawals. Most brokers, they take 2 to 3 working days, 24 hours to be able to withdraw your profit that you make or your money, while Monarchs has bring a same day withdrawal, right? It's instant approval, you get it the same day. So you withdraw now, it will be approved now, and then you get it same day. So maybe after a few hours, depending with the bank or depending with the merchant you are using, whether you are using mobile money or you are using a bank, you are getting it the same day. So that's a beautiful part of it, to bring all those 3 important things when you are trading, and that will be that looks much more better than the other broker. So why not signing up and trading with a broker that will give you 0.6 pips when you're trading? If you are looking for free, what you call the swap free, which is called the Islamic account, you get a swap free, right? If you're looking at bonus, you have 10 times bonus booster you can get, or you can get a lifetime boost. If you're looking for instant withdrawal, you got it. It's here. So yeah, man, I'll put the link on the description. Please DM me as well if you are interested, to check it out. This broker, I'll be able to assist you, to sign up. But the link will be on the description. So thanks a lot. Please make sure you are trading with a broker that will assist you for a better platform and for better trading experience, so that you can be able to enjoy that experience and make some money. Thanks a lot. We'll catch you on the next video.